first world, I think we can all agree that bathrooms have gotten a little out of hand. You know, you got one room for the sink, one room for the toilet, a fucking 10 square foot shower. It's unnecessary, it's excessive, and it's decadent. That's the word I'm looking for. Luckily, in the third world, we are back to basics, and it is a beautiful sight to see. Look at this, baby. We got a 3-in-1 combo deal. Shower, toilet, sink, all in one tight little package. How incredible is that? Convenient too. I can be sitting on the toilet and then just lean over and be shampooing my head at the same time. Who can do that these days? Very few people. Let's take a look at the water pressure. Oh, incredible. It's like Mount Vesuvius. Look at that just explode off the top. Love it. I got my own personal foot cleaner. You get in between the toes. Got these two random buckets. I don't really know what those are for, but I'm glad I have them. If something came up, I don't know. This is my little packet of shampoo that I got at the local convenience store, which you can also use as soap. That's a little life hack right there. And honestly, I'm probably cleaner and then smell better than millionaires, up in their penthouse suites with the gold-plated bathtubs and toilets and shit like that. I mean, you wouldn't know it because this room smells like shit, but that's not my fault. That is because I can't flush my poopy paper towels down the drain. I gotta put those in the trash can next to the toilet. So that's like a little bit of a downside, but the view more than makes up for it. Look at that. Palm tree, cliff. You can't beat it. Folks, this is third world living.